So Claude AI just released a new feature that lets you create an app within the Claude interface without any coding knowledge. So basically you can turn any simple idea into an app within just a few minutes, and you just need to provide a simple prompt. And in fact, there is actually a new unique way to create the app. It is actually going to ask you a few questions before it will start coding the app. So these are just some examples that were created in the Claude Artifacts. There are some apps for creating flashcards or for creating 3D simulator, and also some other cool apps that you could use and might be useful in your daily life. There is this app that I created. It is basically just some interactive flashcard that will help people learn new languages. And there's also this unique app that someone has created in Claude, and basically this is a drum machine. You can actually play some audio. Let me give you one example. I'm going to use the techno preset and I'm going to play this. And there you go. There is this nice sound effect that I think will be very useful for anyone that wants to make some music. And also there is this AI powered app. So this is very similar to the Gemini AI, where it is being powered by Gemini, but in this case it is being powered by the Claude AI. So here I write the message, "I think you missed my point," and then it will draft an email based on that input. So of course that is being powered by AI. It is not just some random answer from AI. It is generated by the same technology that is being powering Claude AI right now. So I'm going to show you how you can create a new app using the new artifacts feature in the Claude AI. So basically you can navigate to claude.ai and you can log in with your account. This feature is available for everyone. You don't have to be in the pro subscription. You can start using it. You can create an app right now, and then you can open the sidebar and you can navigate to artifacts. Again, these are just some examples that were created in Claude. You can test some of them, but to create a new app, you can click new artifact, and then you can select the category of the app that you want to create. So there is apps or websites, documents and templates, games, productivity tools, quiz or survey, creative projects, and or maybe you want to start from scratch. It's up to you. And in this case, I'll try to use apps and websites. And what's unique about it is that it will ask you a few questions before it will start creating the app. So I think that's actually pretty clever, because most people, when they are trying to create an app for the first time using AI, they have no idea what to say to AI, even though the idea is quite simple, but you need to communicate that idea in a way that AI would easily understand. So these are just some new ways to interact with AI. They're going to ask you a few questions and then you can answer it in your next response. But in this case, I guess I'll just ignore all of them. I'm going to just create a new app based on the instruction that I provided for this video. So basically, I'm going to use this prompt, and after that, I'm going to send a message and just wait for Claude to create a plan. It's not going to create the app immediately. It will create some plan about a few things that might be included in the app, and then later you can revise it. You can also tell it to start executing the idea immediately. And in this case, I'll ask AI to start building the app now. Send the message again and just wait for Claude Artifacts to trigger, and it will start creating the app, and you can see the progress with your own eyes. So it will code a bunch of new lines, and you know, this is gonna be quite confusing for most people that never code before, but basically later we can start utilizing the app. You can start using the app, and this process will take up to a few minutes depending on the complexity of the app. So I'll just skip forward and show you when it is done. Okay, so after about 2 minutes, the app is finally finished, and it will show you this section, which is the artifacts, and also some insights about the app. And by the way, if you want to make some changes, you can always tell Claude about the things that you wish to change from the artifacts. Let's say you want to change the theme, or you want to have a different shape of the button, etc. You can do that by just chatting with Claude AI. Now I'm gonna test the app. It's not gonna be 100% perfect, but for the initial draft, for a simple app, it will work just fine. So it's a personal finance tracker app. I'm going to add a new transaction, and let's say I want to, let's say spend, let's say $12. The transaction is food. Category is gonna be food, expenses, today's date, add transaction, and there you go. I can also add an income. Let's say today I earn $50, and let's say someone tip me. The category is gonna be, let's say, from salary or maybe investment or freelance, and it's gonna be income at transaction, and there you go. So yeah, it's actually pretty useful. And there's this export CSV button. I'm not sure if it's going to work. Yeah, it doesn't work. So it's usually not able to download content. It's actually a typical problems in many other tools, not just Claude Artifacts, even the Gemini's Canvas doesn't handle download link or download button very well. So that's one known problem for most AI tools. But basically, the app is quite simple, and you can actually copy the code. You can also download it as TypeScript, and it's going to be a nice first draft for your first app. And you can also just publish the artifacts to the internet, so anyone can start using it. So if you have an idea of an app that maybe would be useful for a lot of people, then you can share the link, and anyone can use the app that you just created from Claude Artifacts. So that's basically how you can create your own app using Claude Artifacts. And I do recommend to check a few examples. It might give you some inspiration about other things that Claude Artifacts can do, and maybe you can improve it, you can make it even better, and maybe create a new, unique or novel app from this tool. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.